How are we going to hear them? You have some device or Harry Potter one? I don't like this. That's really must have been. And they are missing. How many? Yeah, are they? How would I communicate with them? Sunshine, can you hear me? Sunshine? No? So we'll pretend that they are not here. Okay, obviously, how can we? If you have doubt, you can write it down and send it to me. You have my number. Huh? I'll help you. Anyway, so what we were studying sets, right? So sets, what is a set? Open this.
Collection of elements.
So in your school, they started sets. So today for the first class. And actually, you all must what they are taught. Well, I think. They have some. Study them. So that you don't have to come there. I'm stuck. I'll be killed, I know. I'll be hunted down. Anyway. Okay. Okay. Now. So can I write like this? Sunshine. What is that?
Yes, sir.
What is it? Who is listening?
Can't hear you properly, sir.
Sunshine.
Sir?
Sunshine, you're there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So do you have any doubts so far?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt. Anybody is having any doubt? DAV?
No, sir.
Okay, DAV. It's funny, right? You guys are not here, but still we are having class. I know we are living in a world. Anyway, so yesterday we were yeah. What was the question? Why do we use empty set, right? Why do we use this? Why? Any solution or any answer, Sunshine?
I don't know.
I know you have done. Anybody has done this homework? No. What you did? You thought of it. See, it's not about, again, you have to be honest. See, you can study like 100 hours, but you will get this. You keep on making mistake again and again. Okay, I have to stand there, I suppose. You keep doing mistake again and the same mistake. Once you have done a mistake, that is fine. But the second time you are making that same mistake, it's a crime. Okay, don't do that. You have to be honest with yourself. At least, I'm not giving you so many homeworks, right? Is it like I've given you a lot of? You want me to give a lot of homeworks? Is it? No, we already have a lot from school. Is it? You're in 11th standard. Then so it's fine. We can do a lot more. Anyway, so why do we use phi? That phi is empty set. Sunshine?
Sir?
Why do we use empty set? You did your homework?
No, sir.
No. Okay. And DAV?
Sir, I didn't.
All are saying yes. You tell me. In case of impossible event, okay, you are too deep into the words. I just want a very simple answer that everyone can understand. See, it's not about every time, not about the words. Okay, means how. Yeah, you just give one example so that everyone can understand. Leave mathematics, leave numbers. Can you give me any example other than that? See, that's how you will understand. Throw it. It's fine. We'll all get good. They will not get it. Remove it. Yes, yes, tell me. An animal without a body. Okay, that's a great interpretation. Anything else? Sorry, biology. Yeah. Okay, very good, very good. Set of tigers in the ocean, very good. DAV, you are understanding, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, she said we are talking about example of empty set. What is the example of empty set? Set of tigers in ocean. That means there is no tiger. They cannot survive inside ocean, right? Isn't it? You were saying some example. You are getting it, Sunshine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you give me one example? Like we have set of tigers in ocean. Nice, very good. Anything else?
Whole
These are
number less than 0.
See, simply try to understand like this. You have a bucket, right? You have a bucket and you pour some water in it. All right. That means there is some water in the bucket. You don't have to type everything, madam. Don't. Just listen, listen. You will understand everything. See, there is a bucket. You are pouring some water inside it. So you'll say the bucket is somewhat it is filled with water. But even if there is no water in the bucket, it's still a bucket, right? So it is still a set. Like the forest. Try to understand this. Even if there is no animal in the forest, it's still a forest, right? Trying to you're understanding why we are using empty set. What is the meaning of empty set? I know I can use very big and very hard words, but I don't see a possibility of I don't see a future of that words. Okay. So the thing is, it's better we can use simpler words and examples to understand. Okay, DAV.
Okay.
You're getting my point, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you have to speak up when I'm asking. So can you give me one example like the set of tigers in ocean? Anyone? Yes, Kushal Babu. Give me one example. Yeah, give me, you tell me. Yeah, I know you know that. Any example. That is not possible. Mathematics also you can get this time.
Sir,
Yeah.
whole numbers less than 0.
Whole number?
Less than 0.
Less than 0. Okay, that is interesting. Whole number less than 0. Yes, that is better. Whole number less than 0. Okay. Number 3, we can write. What else we can write? Yeah. In mathematics. What? Yeah, that covers this covers that. A number lesser than. X is you are saying lesser than 4, greater than 5. That's what you're saying. Is this correct? A number greater than 4 you are saying, no? Oh, lesser than 4 and greater than 5. Okay. It's actually impossible to get. Yeah. Anything else other than mathematics? Any other example? Just we are discussing empty set. I just want to know whether you have understood it or not. Yeah. Very good. There is no month that starts with the letter P, right? Nice. So there are very polar bears in Africa. Okay, that they exist only on the poles, right? So you understood what's the meaning of empty set, right? It's still a bear. If it is not living in pole, that doesn't make it If it is in Africa, that doesn't make it a what polar bear. It will not make it a polar bear. It has to be on the pole, right? Okay, so these are some of the examples of empty sets in general life examples, right? Now, using Venn diagram, we'll see some of the operations. Like one more this power of set. So we are not going to see that as of now. We'll see that power of set is simply the collection of all the sets. So I just want to explain that a little bit later. First, let's get used to operations of Venn diagram. Okay. Yes or no? This is what?
Okay, sir.
When I'm asking yes or no, you guys are doing like this. Okay. Huh? Shall we? Okay. Again, Venn diagram. Again, we will study Venn diagram. Understood, Sunshine?
Sir.
Yeah, yesterday also we studied, no? So that's why I'm asking. I'm writing again, we are studying. Complement, okay. We'll start with complement of a set, right? Okay. Let's try to understand it with the help of that example we have taken, the forest. Okay. You have a forest. Okay. You have forest. You have trees. You have animals. You have tigers in that. Tigers, you said? You know. Okay, tigers. Okay, sorry. Animals have already written, right? That's not right. Now, now these are so now this F is the universal set. Okay, and T is what? The number T is the tree in the forest, and A is the animal in the forest. Both are what? Disjoint sets, right? They don't
Yes.
overlap. They cannot. Tree cannot be animal. Animal cannot be tree, right? Unless you have some example, you can tell me. Just wait, don't start right. So this is tree, this is animal. Now, if I'm saying that complement of A, complement of animal, that means the forest without animal. Understood?
Yes,
We
sir.
should have a mic. Okay, next time I'll bring the mic. So the forest without animals will be complement of animals. So complement, which we write A dash is equal to forest minus animals. Okay, it's as simple as that. Now, if I say complement of T means trees, so forest minus tree. That means in the forest we'll have only animals. There is no tree, so it's not forest. Means, here you are getting the idea, right?
Yes,
Forest,
sir.
if you remove all the trees, actually it won't be a forest, but the thing is, it will be complement of tree. Okay, that is complement. Like if I remove you from the class, so this class, the complement of you. Okay, okay, Sunshine. That like we throw Sunshine and see, Sunshine is not here. That's why it is very dark inside. Right? Something is wrong. Sunshine, you should come to class. Okay. Sunshine.
Sir.
See, I have to ask you 3 or 4 times. Is that how you respond? Can you hear me or not?
I can
Yes,
hear you,
sir.
sir. Now.
You are hearing each and every single word that I'm speaking.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and that these guys are saying. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. We can
Yes,
hear
sir.
you.
Half of my time will go into that only, right? So next time I'll be bringing a mic. All right. So compliment, you understood? Okay. No, see, this just understand from this classroom point of view. So this is our classroom. You are A. Okay. We are forming. Okay. Let's say we all people are here. Okay. So we are some set of people here in this class. Some desk is there. Some computers are there. Okay. So these are some different sets. All right. Now what I'm doing, I'm just removing all the people from the class that we can go after the class, right? So this classroom will be without, yes, that will be complement of people. That means we won't be there. Got it? Now you're that still it will be a set, and there will always be an empty set, right? empty set is always there. Okay, Sunshine? So in Venn diagram, complement of A, how can we write? So everything, so this is, suppose this was set A, so everything other than A is the complement. Means we are taking everything but A. We are not taking A. Understood? Complement. Now A intersection B also we had discussed yesterday. We discussed this thing. What is A intersection B? Suppose you have two sets. What is A intersection B?
Sir, they overlap each other.
This is a disjoint set. Okay. So for write down for disjoint set. Yes, A intersection B will be 0. It's an empty set. Or you can write instead of 0, it's better to write empty set. Sunshine, understood?
Yes, sir.
Or we also represent it by 5. This is disjoint sets. Both sets are not joint. Okay. Now A intersection B. For this problem, what is A intersection B here? What is A here? Have I written anything? A, B, anything? Then how can we say which one is that? See, I have to write it here. A, B. Without this, the question is incomplete. Okay. So don't form question by yourself. Just read the question properly and understand it first. Okay. So this portion, I'll use this color. This portion is your A intersection B. Fine. Now, what will be the complement of A intersection B? Everything other than this A and B. So complement will be what? Let's draw it here. So this is A, this is B, and everything other than this. Okay. Okay. So everything other than this A intersection. DAV, you understood?
Yes, sir.
Sunshine.
Yes, sir.
Sunshine is taking tea, I suppose. You're taking breakfast or something?
Sir.
Yes or no?
No, sir.
Okay. Because you're not loud. I think you are very tired today. Got it? Now, what is A minus B? If there is a set, okay. This is A, this is B. What is A minus B? Right? A minus B. Sunshine, what is A minus B?
A minus B.
Yeah. See, all the elements of A other than B, right? Whatever is there in the inside B. That means when we are talking about A minus B, we are not considering the universal set because we don't need that, right? It's not given there. We don't have to consider the universal set. We don't have to consider this thing. Okay, only A minus B will be what? Yes, the part of A without this intersection part. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Sunshine. So this part we know. Okay. How do we write it? This part is called A intersection B.
Yes, sir.
Right? And that is B. That means A minus B will be equal to what?
A without
Union B minus A intersection B. This is correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Sunshine, is this correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, I can hear you. You tell me, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
No, it's not. What is wrong with it? See, this is not universal. This is union. This is not Sunshine. Can you hear me? This
Sir,
is
yes, sir.
union. Okay, this is union, not universal. say A union B. What is A union B? When we have two sets, A union B is what? All the elements. Okay, so A union B minus B. Okay, so A union B minus B is what? A minus B. Got it? Just see here from the Venn diagram it is clear. See A because A union B is what? All complete, and we are just subtracting B from it. Okay, we are just subtracting B, so what we'll have? A minus B. All right. See, A union B is what? All the elements of set A and all the elements of set B, writing the common terms only once. Okay, because if you write here A plus B, A plus B means what? That means you are adding this term. Again, you are adding this term. That means this portion is coming two times, right? So you have to delete once. So minus A intersection B. So this is your A union B. Anyway, we are going to study this again. All right. So is this clear or not, Sunshine? Can you
Clear,
hear me?
sir.
Yeah, you have to respond fast. All right. So these are some of the operations of sets. Okay. Kushal Babu, understanding everything. Okay. Okay, so let's write some more operations of set. Now, see, in sets, if we are taking, right now we were defining the statements like elephants in the forest or trees, like that we were defining, right? So that time we can just write sets. But if we have, suppose, numerical values, all right, so how we will define it? So suppose this is your universal set, okay? Not. And this is set A, B. And if we have numbers like in the first day, I gave you example like five people are playing hockey and 10 are playing cricket, and three of them are playing both cricket as well as hockey. Okay, so that means that is the intersection. Now I'm giving you the numerical value. So at that time, we just write N A. Okay, and A means number of person or number of elements present in that set A. Okay, so N A, N B, N A intersection B, and A union B. And just represent numbers. We are talking in terms of numbers. Understood, DAB? Yes,
Yes, sir.
all the operations are same, like we have discussed above. Okay, we were just not writing N. Okay, N just means numbers. We are dealing with numbers. Shall we do one problem based on this?
Yes, sir.
Then we'll see some of the properties. Okay, so question number 1. Let's write out. I'll just give you numbers. Okay, so NA given is 10, NB you have 20. Okay, and you are also given N A union B is 30. Okay, so what is A intersection B? N A intersection B, and what type of set is this? You got the question, both of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do it. Use the same method that we have. First, always draw the Venn diagram. Always draw the Venn diagram.
Sir, is it a subset?
What subset?
Sir, set A will be inside set B. So is it a subset?
Set. No, I never said set A is inside B.
Oh,
Did I mention that
no.
A is a subset of B?
No, sir.
See, for A being subset of B, that means all the elements of A should be there in B. Okay, like set of natural numbers in real numbers. That is, natural number is a subset of real number. Whole number is a subset of real number. Integers are the subset of real numbers. Okay, natural number is a subset of whole number, isn't it? Okay. What, you got it? Yes, there is no intersection, right? Because see, I'll give the solution here. Hey, what happened? You are thinking, still thinking. Okay. Anyway, see, correct. Why this keep? Now we are given set A and B. They are disjoint set, right? Why? Because NA is how much? 10, NB is how much? 20, and this union A union B is how much? 30. Understood? Okay. It's better not to draw the Venn diagram first. Let's erase this. See, just now we wrote this thing, right? Where is it? Union intersection. Like anywhere. Okay. See, suppose if we have a set of two subsets of a universal set. Okay, these are also a set. Now this is what A. So N of A union B. That means this whole part. This how can we write? This will be NA, right? This part. Okay. Then we have NB. This part. Fine. Plus NB. Now you see this, the intersection part, it is coming two times in A as well as in B. Fine. So we will subtract it one time. And A intersection B. That's how we are getting A union B. Is this thing, are you able to understand this? Everything is
Sir.
clear? All clear now? Sprite.
Yes.
Huh? Sunshine? See, this intersection part is there, no? A intersection B. This is coming twice. This is coming in A as well as in B. So we have to subtract it one time. Okay? Yes or no? Is this clear, or do you have any doubt? Sunshine, do you have any doubt? DAV?
No, sir. I don't have any doubt.
Okay. Okay. So,
No, sir.
okay, let's go with this problem now. What is an A union B is 30? Fine. And A is how much? 10. And B is how much?
20.
20. And we need to find this and A intersection B, right? Correct. Now this sum is how much? 30. So this will be 0. So N A intersection B will be equal to what? 0.
Yes, sir.
Fine. That means these two sets are not joined. Okay, there is no intersection part. These sets are like this. Because there is no common part. No? See, this represents what? Common part. Fine. This intersection part represents what? Common, whatever is common. Is it or not? That's why I want chalkboard and everyone present. Okay. Gosal Babu, clear? Sprite wala clear? You haven't seen the ad? All right. That is clear. I understood. So this is an, sorry, this is all disjoint set, not an. This is a disjoint set. Got it? DAV?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Biology, you got it? So you know this formula. This is written as a formula, and you know how to prove this now, right? You can just draw a Venn diagram, and you can use a little bit of logic and some of your neurons. Okay. Fine. Chap liya, copied. Okay, let's do one more problem. Just give me a moment. That's what I don't want to do. If Sunshine was here, I wouldn't have to write. Okay, some problems, right? Okay, write down. Let A and B be two finite sets. Sunshine, you're writing?
Sir.
Yeah, A and B are two finite sets. Why I have to write finite set? That means it is not infinite. Okay, finite set such that NA is 20 and B. Why we are writing N, Shamshine? Huh? Any one of you? Why we are writing NA? Because
This is the number
yes,
of elements.
yes. N represent number of elements. Okay, N represent number of elements in set A. Okay, NA, NB is given also. Let's write what? NA union B. Okay. A union B is how much? 36. So find, my question is find, okay, obviously you guys know A intersection B. Find this. It's very easy, right? Huh? That's right. Is it? Do it. Use the what? And A and B when 20. And B is how much?
Sir, is it 6?
36. Intersection B will be how much? Do it first. Do it in your notebook, man.
Sir, is it 6?
Sunshine?
Sir, DAV speaking, sir. Is it 6?
Okay, DAV. Good. Tell me, DAV, answer.
Is it 6?
6. DAV is saying 6. Okay, wait, DAV. Anyone? Gosal Babu. 12. Anyone else? You know why I'm calling you Gosal, right? Shreya Gosal. 12. You are also DAV. DAV. One DAV is saying 6. Another 12. You also will be. You? Yes, ma'am. Oh, what academy are you from? Shankara. You're not getting it. What? See, use this. Okay. A union B. That's the problem. Let's see. I don't know. That's all. No, they are saying the answer. Let's see how correct they are. It can be a trick question, right? Done. Everyone finished. Okay. So we have two set A and B. Let's assume like this. Okay. So we have two sets. The number of elements are given here, N A and B. So we know we can write N A union B. Tell me, how do we write it, Shankara? Yeah. Na plus A intersection B. Okay, let's put all the values. Shall we? Shall we put all the values? Okay. 36 is equal to Na how much? 20 plus 28 minus. Fine. So N A intersection B will be how much? This is 48 minus 36 is how much? 12. Are we getting it or not? Okay. I understood your doubt. You are saying that A itself is 20 and B is 28, right? See, that's what the problem is. There is something wrong. Like I will just give you an example. In this class, how many people are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know how to count. 6. And 2 are there. That means somebody is absent. Only 8 are there. Okay. So 8 of you are there in class. Okay, let's take this example. Sunshine, you're listening, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So 8 people are there in your class, in mathematics class. Okay. How many of you take physics class?
Sir, me.
Okay, all
Yes.
chemistry class, how many of you take? You are not taking, right? So that means chemistry class is taken by how many? 7. Fine. And how many total students are there? 8. Fine. Now tell me how many people are taking common subjects? 7. 7 of them are taking maths as well as chemistry. Only one person is not taking mathematics. Sorry, chemistry. The X is coming in mathematics. Don't say. That means what you are doing. You are adding number of people in mathematics and number of people in chemistry. Yeah, you are repeating the numbers. That's what the intersection means. Okay. So here, n mathematics is how much? 8. N chemistry is how much? 7. And mathematics intersection chemistry is how much? 7. Okay. So that means union you can find will be how much? 8 plus 7 minus 7. That means 8. There are total 8 number of students. Is this correct? Now you understood this problem, how to do it? That you cannot act separately. The meaning of this intersection itself is what? The meaning of intersection is that same person are present in both chemistry as well as in mathematics. Understood, Sunshine?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let's wait for his answer. Okay. DAV, you got it?
Yes, sir. Sir, last
Okay.
time.
Shall we do one more problem?
Okay, sir.
Okay. See, the thing is, the more problems we do, the more we will learn. Okay. So I'll just give you directly. And A minus B. Okay, this time it is different. 18. And A union B is 70. And A intersection B is 25. Okay, good. Good question. And B. Find NB. Use if you are confused, just use the Venn diagram. Can you solve it or not? Just use the Venn diagram. If you are confused, just use the Venn diagram. Because here one new term you can see, right? A minus B. They are doing it well. Yeah. Two of them are in the tablets.
You're online. Those who are online, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So just wanted to give you an update. These people mostly not have active because sir has some personal work. So instead, what we thought is we can take a class tomorrow and day after tomorrow from 5 to 6. And 6 to 7 you'll have the physics class for this week. Simple. So next week we'll have more of physics class. So just wanted to inform this and I'll drop a message also.
Sir, can you repeat? I didn't hear you very clearly.
You're not able to hear me clearly?
Now I am, sir.
Are you able to? Okay, just wanted to inform that next week, sir is not available due to some personal work, maths sir. So you, instead of next week, right, we wanted to take extra class this week. So there will be an extra session arranged for tomorrow and day after tomorrow from 5 to 6, followed by which you are going to have physics class from 6 to 7. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so this is what I wanted to update.
Okay, sir.
So, and one more class will be there. That will be, so one more class needs to be compensated. That will be done in the second week of July, second or third week, right? That is mostly. Okay, so that will be done after the following week. Okay, that will give you the schedule.
Okay, sir.
Is it Hariharan who is online?
Sir, Abhinav as well, sir.
Sorry?
Abhinav as well, sir.
Abhinav as well. Okay, both of you are on. Okay. Yeah.
They're not able to get
They're not in.
we need, I suppose we need an,
We need a mic.
even if that might be done, so that's all right. Guys, just give me 1 minute. I'm connecting a mic. Okay. Got. Yeah. Now, can you guys listen to me? Can you guys hear me?
Yes, sir.
Now it is clear, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So you got the answer? Why you are laughing? 20. Okay, okay. Different results. Nice. I always love this thing. Different results. Sunshine, how much? Sunshine is Hariharan only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I like Sunshine better. Yeah. Sunshine, how much? Just draw the Venn diagram. Done? Yeah. Yes. Biology. Biology is saying how much? 52. You? Okay, 52. Okay. Two people said 52. I'll just vote here. 1 plus 1. Anyone else 52? Sorry, Sunshine? Sunshine.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, now I can hear you. I think you also need a mic.
Can you repeat that, sir?
Yeah, how much you are getting? NB. Number of elements in set B, how much you are getting?
50, sir.
50. Vishal Babu, 27. Minus 27 you are getting. 27. Just do the calculation properly. I'll be. Uh, oh. So that 530 usually I extended. Ooh. So okay. Yeah. Yeah, sure. So tomorrow there won't be class, okay? Tomorrow I won't be taking class. Yeah, I will inform. They are there. Yeah, Sunshine, can you hear me?
I can hear you,
Hello?
sir.
Yeah, tomorrow there won't be mathematics class. Okay, so day after tomorrow only we'll have.
Friday, sir.
Okay? Yeah, DAB, you can hear me, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You got the answers? What happened? Just draw the Venn diagram. You got it? 27. Okay, different results. Good. 87. This is minus 27. 27 by 2. Okay. Anyone else? Just draw the Venn diagram. What? There is no need of intersection. Why? Is it? Okay. Let's draw the Venn diagram, shall we? Sunshine, you got the result? Sunshine. He responds very late. Why do you do that? Why you are torturing us? Okay, DAB, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
DAB can hear us. So let's draw the Venn diagram. Fine. A, B. This is fine? Yeah. A minus B should be the part. Which part? Can you draw it in your notebook? Everyone draw A minus B. See, whatever information is given, just draw it in your notebook. Separate diagram for all. 1, 2, 3, 4 diagram I want. 3 diagram actually. Yeah, 4 diagrams I want. Sunshine, can you draw these 4 diagrams?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, A minus B. First is and A minus B. A minus B. Okay, first draw A minus B. Which portion? Show me. Okay, correct. 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 Good. Kushal Babu. A minus B, A minus B. This is A, this is A, this is B. Now this is whole A, and if you subtract B, B also covers this part. No? So other than this part, everything will be A minus B. Biology, show me. Can you draw a little smaller than this? Can you? I don't. Draw a little bigger diagrams. Okay, diagrams must be bigger. See, it's not about how many problems we solve or how fast we cover it. Okay. There go. This whole portion is A, right? This is A. Fine. This is B, right?
Yes, sir.
Now A minus B will be which part? This part only.
Yes, sir.
Huh? I'll do a oil painting and all. That's what you guys want me to do, right? Fine. Gushal Babu, is it clear? Now draw A union B. A union B is very easy. Right? A intersection B is also very easy. Right? Now what do you need to find out? B. That means if you want only B and if you have A, if you just have A, do you have A? No, you don't have. If you have A, then you can just A minus what you can do, A intersection B. Then you will get what? B. Fine.
Yes, sir.
No, you're not understanding this thing. See, this is B. This portion, okay. This portion is B. This whole portion is B. And if you subtract A, if you subtract from A, this is A intersection B. This part, A intersection B. Right? So from A, this whole portion is A. And if you subtract A intersection B, so you'll get B minus A, I think. Right? You'll get B minus A. Okay, I'm sorry. That is minus. I'm sorry. So how do we do it? Now, what is B minus, this part is A intersection B, right? This red one part. And what part will be this other than this? This whole part will be what? Now, A, okay, let's draw A union B first. Then I think it will be much easier to understand. Okay, A union. That means this whole entire part, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So we want this, no, we want what? This A minus, okay, A minus B is this green wala part, right? This green part is A minus B. And this is whole A minus B. A union B. Am I clear or am I confusing you? You can tell me honestly. If you are getting confused, it's fine. I can explain it again. Is it fine? Okay. Sunshine, is it fine? Just listen here. A minus B is this green part. Okay, let me erase this part. Okay. This A minus B is this green wala part.
Sir.
Fine. Hello?
You
Yes,
hear
sir.
me, sir?
Yeah, I can hear you now. You understood, no? A minus B
Yes,
is
sir.
this green part. And A union B is this whole entire part. This entire circle, these two circle combined. Now, if I just want to find this one, this part. This is A and this is B. If I just want to find B, just this one. That means I have to subtract this green part from the entire one. The green portion, the green part minus minus which part? From this will subtract from A union B, right?
Sir.
Right. See, from A union, this is A union B, no? This complete. Fine. And if we just subtract the green part, what we'll get? We'll get B. Minus the green part, this one part, this green part. Okay, if we can subtract this part from this, we'll get B. So can we write like this? NB is equal to this N A union B minus, what is the green part? A minus B
minus B, sir.
minus A minus B. Okay, is this clear or not? Yes,
Yes.
or no?
Yes,
Tell
sir.
me
Yes, sir.
honestly. Yeah.
A minus B plus
A minus B. Yeah. Tell me.
N A union B
This part. Yes.
minus whole of N A minus B plus intersection of A.
Again, why you are getting confused? Yeah.
So first, this is A minus B.
Okay.
This is A minus B
Mhm.
plus the intersection.
Plus the intersection will give you A.
Yeah. So A union B minus this and minus this plus this will give you B.
Yeah, of course, that will give you that. Okay. So you understood, no? This part, this part minus, if you subtract this part, this green part, what you will get? You will get B. That is fine.
That's what I'm saying. So we should add the intersection.
No, why do you want to add this intersection? This B already, see, inside this B, this is all B, no? This entire part is B, fine? So if you are, and this whole is A union B. So if you subtract this part, then you will get this part. Is it, I'll do it again. Don't worry. If you are confused, no problem. See, this is your entire, this red hash part. This red hash part is A union B. Fine. Now, and this green part we have established as A minus B. Fine. So from this whole red part, if I subtract just this green wala part, what we are having? We are having B, because B is complete now. This whole is B. Fine. You see here, this whole is B. No, you are again adding this part, this common part. You don't have to add that. Already we are getting. So is this equation clear? Sunshine and DAB.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Is this clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now find NB. And A union B is given in the problem. Union B is given and A minus B is also given. How much? So this is how much? 70. 70 minus 18. 70 minus 18. How much? 52. How many of you got 52? You did it this way? Got it? Vishal Babu, happy 27 by 2. Huh? Okay, we'll do one more problem. Now you understood, no? Sunshine and DAB?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you're still confused. No? Don't worry, we'll do one more problem. We'll do more problems. See, practice makes a man as well as a woman. Okay? All right. Let's do one more problem. Okay, this time we'll do a word problem. Okay? So write down the question. Sunshine and DAB, write down, listen to me and write down the question. In a group of 60 people, 27 like cold drinks and 42 like hot drinks. Wow. Cold, C-O-L-D. Yeah, 27 like cold drinks and 42 like hot drinks.
How many people?
Group of 60 people. Hello?
Sir?
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, sir. How many people like hot drinks, sir?
42 like hot drinks and 27 like cold drinks. I have to write. Group of how many people I said? I changed the number.
60, sir.
Okay. And 27 like cold and 42 of them like hot drink. And each person like at least one of the two drinks. Oh, good question. And write the statement. and each person likes at least one of the two drinks. How many like both coffee and tea? It's an easy problem, right? The question is how many like both hot and cold? What? 9. Oh, you got the result. Let them calculate. First, write that you have written the question.
Sir, 92.
Sir, 9, sir.
9 people. Write the solution. Huh? Whose turn is this? What?
69 minus
69 minus 9. 60 minus 9. 9. How do you got 9?
69 minus 6.
Achha, we'll see. We'll see.
Sir,
Yeah, in terms of sets, can you write? Sunshine, you got the result?
yes, sir, but I don't know how to do it in sets, sir.
In set. Okay, see, there are 60 people in a group, right? So that means A union, because there are, let's say this cold coffee drinkers are A, hot coffee drinkers are B. Okay, so A union, and at least everyone like at least a drink. So there is no one who doesn't like anything. Okay, at least either they like cold or hot or both. Okay, so A union B is 60 and A union B is 60. Okay, Sunshine.
Yes, sir, I can understand.
Yes, sir. Yes, yeah. Now and A is also given how much?
27, sir. A is 27 and
Yeah.
B is 42,
And
sir.
B has 42, right? And what do you need to find out? How many of them like both? Both means what? Both means this part. What is this part? Intersection.
Intersection, sir.
So, and A intersection B. This will be equal to what? And A, write like this, all of you. Minus, sorry, NA plus and B minus and A union B. Okay. So NA is how much? 27 plus 42 minus 6. How much we are getting?
69 minus
69
60. 9, sir.
69 minus 60, so this will be. So 9 of them like both hot as well as cool drink. All right, let's do one more problem. Shall we? Sunshine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is also easy. Okay, write down. In a group of 100 persons, 72 people can speak English and 43 can speak French. Yeah. So the group of 100 people, total 100 people are there, and 72 out of the 72 can speak English and 43 can speak French. Yeah. No, 72 English and 43 French. So how many of them can speak only English?
72, sir.
Only English, I said.
72.
See that's what no you guys are confusing here. There are 100 people, right? So if you draw the set like this, English speaking, French speaking. So English speaking is 72. That means that comes into that. So English speaking person can also speak French, no? Huh? You are getting my point, Sunshine.
Sir, I'm getting your point, sir.
Yes,
For
sir.
me, it's coming 57, sir.
Yeah. A union B is given how much? 100, right?
Yes, sir.
Sunshine.
Yes, sir.
And A is how much?
Is 72, sir.
72. And B is how much?
43, sir.
Huh?
43, sir.
That means 43, yes. Now, what do we need? What do we need to calculate?
Intersection, sir.
Yeah. Do it. Intersection. What did I ask the problem? How many can speak English only?
50,
English only. On
50, sir.
again, you guys are making a mistake. See, this is English speaking, and this is French speaking. What do we need to find out? Only English speaking.
Difference, sir. A minus B.
Yeah, you need to find this. Yes, you need to find A union B minus, right? Is this correct or not? A union B is complete, and okay. 100 minus B is how much? 43. No. So how much will be this?
57, sir.
57. Okay. Okay. What is next? See, A minus. See, first you have to calculate everything, no? Then you will subtract this part. A minus B means what? This is A and you are subtracting this B part, right? So first you have to get this whole complete part. No? Then only from there only you can subtract, right? You cannot just subtract from A, right? You're getting my point? No? Okay. Let's do it. See, you are what you are saying A minus B, right? That's what you are saying, no? This is A and this is B. But when you are subtracting B, there are some portion of B which is not even speaking English. So why you are subtracting that portion? Why you are considering that portion? You are getting my point? See, here you want to subtract. No? So first you want to subtract this whole complete part, this Venn diagram. Whole part you want to subtract. So first you have to find this complete, right? So this complete is what? A union B. See, okay, let's draw the diagram. See, first you need to find this part, right? From there only you can subtract this part. No? From there only if you subtract, then only you will get this part. Fine? You're understanding or not? So that means first you can find A union B, which is given in the problem. Okay, and then you will subtract B from it. Then you will get what? You will get only A. Okay? Yes or no? This is not A, by the way. I have written it incorrect. This is not just A. This is A minus A intersection B. Right? This because A is what? This complete portion is A. This complete portion is A, and here there is some intersection part also. So you are subtracting this also, right? So this is A minus A intersection B. This is equal to A union B minus B. That means this A is only, this part is only English speaking. Okay. Now A is what? A means they can speak English or even they can speak French. We don't know that. Okay. B is, that means they can speak French as well as they can speak English. The intersection part is that is they can speak both languages. Okay. And this part, that is A minus A intersection B, that means they speak only English. Okay. So for this, let's draw the Venn diagram. Venn diagram. What is this? Vampire, it's better to write there. Let's understand from here, okay? So you have English speaking people and red will use French speaking people. Okay. Now this is fine. There is no problem in this. So this part is what?
Intersection.
English speaking as well as French speaking. That means write down these people can speak English as well as French. as well as French. Okay. Now again we'll draw this Venn diagram. This is first one. Now let's draw the second one so that the meaning should be clear, right? Our main, see, the main aim is not to solve the problem, just solve the problem. It's to understand it. If you can understand it, you can solve a lot of problems. Okay. Now this portion, this complete portion. What is this? A union B, right? A union B meaning what? Set of all the people, all 100 people, right? So English plus French speaking. No, let's not write like this. Let's not write like this. Total number of people. Let's write total number. Total number of people. Fine. Let's draw the third one. See, intersection portion, that means English as well. Okay, fine. Now, this part. So this part, what part is this? This is
A
A
minus
minus A intersection. Fine. Is this clear? Because this is A intersection B. This part is A intersection B, no? Huh? So this will be A minus A intersection B. So these people can speak what? Only English. Okay. Next, let's draw one more. And now if I ask you to, people those can speak only French. Can you draw the Venn diagram for that? Do it. Huh? No, not the value. I don't want the value. Value you can get anywhere. You just write in terms of set. Sunshine, tell me. See, only French will what? This is English, this is French.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Only French, sir.
Yeah. Write in terms of set. Tell me
B
in terms of set.
minus A union, sorry, A intersection B, sir.
A intersection B. Fine. That
Sir.
means only this portion. You are understanding no set?
Yes,
Sir, yes, sir.
Is this getting clear? Okay, good. Now see, now if we want to write this B minus A intersection B, that means this hash part. So first we need to find this entire part, this union we need to have, right? This union, DAB, you're listening?
yes, sir.
Hello? Yeah. So to get this hash part or this to get C or to get D, first we need to have B, right? First we need to have this whole value we need to have, no? Right? So from there, what we can do, we can subtract this part. This part is what? A. So to get B minus A intersection B, that is this part only. What do we need to have? First we need to have the union, A union B, right? Minus what? A, because this is A, this is B. Fine. Similarly, A minus A union, sorry, A intersection B, no? Sunshine, tell me. How do we write this? So this will be, first we need to have A union B minus B. It's as simple as that. See, even if you take this to the left hand side and this to the right hand side, you'll get this equation. Right? So is this thing clear or not? I know it can be a little overwhelming to write like this, because we'll, in next class, that is day after tomorrow, we'll be studying 3 sets, A, B, and C. Okay, so you just go home and do some problems based on this. Okay, you have your study materials, right? You solve problems from there, and you ask me if you have any doubt. You don't have study material, you have you take it from that. Okay, okay, so we'll end up here. So Sunshine and DAV, you understood?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yeah, solve this problem, solve this intersection union problem based whatever we did today based on that. And day after tomorrow, that is on Friday, we'll do for 3 sets. Set A, set B, and set C in a universal set. When we are speaking universal set, that means A, B, and C will be what? Subset of this universal set. I don't think we need a clarification on subsets, right? We have already clarified it with so many lot of examples, right? Okay, so we'll end the class here. Okay, Sunshine? Bye bye.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Now you can dance. Okay. Okay, bye. Bye bye. See you.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Uh, Too long, no? Is it? You are understanding everything, right? First, we were having. Now, is it clear? Is it clear, everyone? Now you guys can solve at least two subset problems. Just draw the capital Venn diagram. Okay, don't cheat yourself. Draw. Okay. By biology, you have to draw very clear diagrams. Like that only you have to draw. Yeah, yes, sir. Master, they don't have study materials. I think we need mic master. You will tell Raghav we need mic because yeah, like study well. Right. So I'll see you tomorrow. Okay. Bye. Bye. Study.